555. A miracle will happen for you this week. It will be the most significant shift you have experienced. Open your heart and your mind. Be ready to receive it gratefully. Type 555 to gratefully receive it. Everything will be okay. Think about what happened a year ago today. You probably cannot even remember. Some things that seem important now won't be in the future. Stay calm about it. Things always work out. Your life can suddenly change for the better. Nothing is impossible. Type yes if you agree. Change is coming. Everything in your life now will begin to propel forward. You will notice a shift from stagnation to flow, from lack to abundance, from confusion to clarity, from pain to peace. This is turning point. Type yes if you believe. 2222. You have a miracle coming into your life soon. If you are reading this, expect right on time miracles. Type yes if you believe and also subscribe. God